Tornado investigator deploys teams to Windsor, Essex and Chatham, Kent.
Get in the basement now!
Teams are being deployed to investigate the possibility of twisters landing in Dresden, Ont. From Wednesday's storm, and in the Windsor, Ont, and Chatham, Ont, areas following Thursday night's severe weather activity. The researchers are with the Northern Tornadoes Project, which is based at Western University. Damage from downed trees, limbs and branches is widespread across the region, and dozens of power outages remain in place across the region, leaving thousands of homes without electricity. A tornado warning was issued late Thursday night, bringing high winds and reports of funnel clouds. Environment Canada meteorologist Mitch Meredith says while it's possible a tornado touched down in the region, it's still too early to tell.
Like it's flooding.
We did warn for quite a while, like almost an hour, for a few signatures on radar that were moving quickly through the Detroit River and down into Lake Erie.
Oh, I don't like that.
But we can't confirm, he said. According to Meredith, there's been lots of damage report across the area, with downed trees, power outages and poles down, but they can't confirm if there was a twister. The challenge with this event is it pretty much was at dark and people were, kind of staying inside and hiding. So you're not going to get as many photos and videos that we usually do. Due to significant storm damage, Hotel Dieu Grace Healthcare Children's Center Walk-in Counseling Clinic is closed until further notice.
Fuck no.
In addition to this, all regional children's center buildings are closed. In Lakeshore, the municipality's town hall, Atlas Tube Recreation Center and Bell River Marina are shut down for the day because of no power. Spokesperson Alex Denonville says backup generators have been deployed to maintain water treatment and stormwater pump operations where possible.
Shit, bro.